Hello, welcome to Grillin and Chillin. I'm Mindy Turner with the Curry County Cooperative Extension Service, your family and consumer science agent. Well, it is summer and it is hot, and it's been hot for several months, but those summertime months and those special holidays, coming off Memorial Day, getting ready for the 4th of July, and moving on into Labor Day, make us thinking about grilling, cooking outside. And now some of us cook outside year-round, depending on where you live and what your climate is like. If it allows for that, that's fantastic. Otherwise, some of us do wait for those summer months to do that. So in looking at what would be some of the things we might talk about for summer, I thought, grilling seems to be a wonderful option for that. We even have a 4-H project that is specifically geared toward cooking on the grill. So the things that are important to remember when we talk about cooking on the grill are your rules of safety still apply. Your basic food safety, of course your personal safety. We are usually cooking with fire of some kind, regardless of the type of grill that you're using. So we're going to talk a little bit about some recipes that you can take. The great thing about these recipes is you can adjust and adapt for what you like. You can adjust for what's on sale, what's in season. Prices are kind of skyrocketing around us as well, so being able to adjust our favorite things, the things we really like, to accommodate that and maybe save a little money at the grocery store is going to be a wonderful option. So the second part of that chillin' part, for each piece of the series, we're going to talk a little bit about our on the grill part, and then we're going to have some excellent frozen desserts, things you can make ahead, freeze up overnight, and have that nice